So number 6, Donald's taking part in a competition. This is slightly more interesting, this one, isn't it? So X is a geometric with a chance of success of 0.45. And the probability that X is equal to X is equal to, so the probability that X is equal to X is equal to 0.136125. So we've got to use the formula, haven't we? We can't just jump straight into the distributions mode, although I suppose we could just shift solve it. I'll have a look at that in a minute. So he's going to need to win, Donald's going to need to win the last one, and all the others they'll need to lose. So that's going to be an X take away 1, and that's 0.136125. So I think the first thing we're going to do is divide by the 0.45. So if I put 0.136125 divided by 0.45, that gives me 308 there. Sorry, 308, I don't know where I got that, 3025. And now we're going to need to log that. So we're going to need to do that x minus 1 is log to the base 0.55 of 0.3025. So options, calculations, there it is, log AB, 0.55 and 0.3025. And, oh, that's nice, it's giving us that that is 2, and so that means X must be 3. Is that there? Lots of other ways of doing this. If you don't like doing your logs like that, you could just do a normal one. So ln of 0.3025 divided by ln of 0.55. That will give you the same answer. You could do an log, same idea, that doesn't matter what base you take from each side, it'll get you the same answer there. Perhaps an exciting way of doing it might be to try and use your nsolve. So calculations nsolve, and we want a geometric. That's always hard to find. I usually go to the catalogue to find that. And there's and push G for G. So the geometric, which way round do you put the geometrics in? I think you put the number first, x, comma, 0.45, and we want that to equal 136,125, and we want to find that for x. Let's see if that works. It does. 3. X is 3. If you're not sure about which order to put these things in when you have this in the run menu there, what you do is you go to the statistics mode, and in the distributions, the geometric distribution here, it's the same order that you have here. So we've got the X and then the P, and I would guess that's the same for the distribution menu here. The geometric, yeah, we've got the X and then the P. So that's the order that I had to put that in when I put it in here. Look, I've got the X and then the P value as I tap that in as I go. There's a part B to it that I haven't done, isn't there? And I've been chatting all that time. So part B just says find the probability that Donald completes the task within 4 attempts. So X is less than or equal to 4, and that would just be the usual geometric stuff. So menu, distributions, geometric, and I want it with it less than or equal to 4, and it was 0.45, wasn't it? So that's 0.9084. So I've chatted a bit there about other bits and ways to do it.